Greetings, watch lovers. Today I have another spares or repair watch lot to take a look at. See if we have any treasures or is it all just trash. This is a pretty cheap watch lot. I thought I saw something interesting in it, so let's see what we got. The obligatory bag of watches. This is a digital watch lot, if you haven't noticed. So my first pick is a Chinese Mets watch. Looks like a New York with Mets. Yeah. All right, I'll throw that over there. And then we have an Armatron swimmer. Some cracks in the bezel, 100 feet. Case back is kind of worn out. Is it plastic? Huh. Yeah. That might be junk too. I don't know. So you got some interesting bands. This band is actually not bad here. It's okay. This band looks a little nicer. What kind of band is this? Spidel USA. Yeah, that's not bad. Even if the watch is garbage. Then we have a Phillips Sprague State Liners. Another Chinese LCD. It actually has some weight to it. Huh. I have no idea what that team is. We've got Super Court. Like part of the speaker cover broke off. This one's not too bad looking. Stainless steel back. Fada Industries. New York. And then it says made in Hong Kong. Interesting. Got some stuff inside the crystal. Looks pretty bad. Junk. Oh, this is just an empty Mets case. That's obviously junk. And then here's our treasure piece. Pulsar. Pretty nice looking Pulsar, a long chronograph, water resist 100 meters. One probably will clean up pretty nice. An original Pulsar band. Screwback case. All stainless steel. I see somebody tried to open this and scratched it up a bit, but this is a really nice watch. I like the colored indicators on the bottom. See that? Yep, on the top. And upside down. It's funny when you're looking at it through the screen. Nice. So I'm actually pretty happy. I think this whole lot, this watch makes the whole lot worth it. It's a very inexpensive watch lot. I don't know what I'll do with the rest of these, but this one will polish up the crystal, clean it up, put a battery in it. Stay tuned for that. In my next video, we'll do the Pulsar. I wonder what model this is. Ah, there we go. Upside down again. So Y770. What's that? 50, 29. Cool. Buttons seem a little stiff, so I'll probably have to clean those up, but they're all in good shape. Nice. So this watch is kind of interesting. Why is it super quartz? It's in pretty bad shape. But I might give it a shot. And this Armatron, yeah. It's obviously a copy. There it is. Armatron's a copy of the Amazon, Casio swimmer. Like the DW1000. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video where I will open up the Pulsar and see if it'll run.